Meet Roku Streaming Stick Plus. Powerful and portable. With long-range wireless performance. That means 4 times more range, a stronger signal, and smoother streaming in every room. An enhanced voice remote, including TV power and volume buttons, means no more juggling remotes. Enjoy it all in stunning 4K and brilliant HDR color. There's a Roku player just for you. And every one comes with a simple and intuitive home screen, more than 500,000 movies and TV episodes, including free movies and TV shows on the Roku channel. The fastest way to find your favorites by title, actor, or director with Roku Search. And the free Roku mobile app to make your iOS or Android device the ultimate streaming companion. The Roku lineup.
This is Chromecast with Google TV. It's a handy streaming device that plugs right into your TV. It comes with a voice remote, so you can be like, find action movies. And it will show you all the action movies on one screen, no matter which one of your streaming services they're on. So no more, wait, where is that movie? Google TV is great at helping you find exactly what you want to watch, even if you don't know what that is yet. What should I watch? So, yeah, that's Chromecast with Google TV from Google.
Introducing Roku Express. Fast, high-definition streaming made easy. Featuring a new compact design. Setup is a cinch with the included HDMI cable. You can even attach it to your TV. It's perfect for first-time streamers and great for secondary TVs. Use the simple remote to control your player. Easily find free TV, live news, sports, movies, and premium subscriptions, all on the Roku channel. Your home for free and premium TV. Search across top streaming channels and see your results ranked by price.
I can teach you to be Spider-Man.
Roku Express is high-definition streaming made easy for everyone in the house. And it makes an amazing gift. There's a Roku player for everyone. Choose the player that's right for you.
This is the Nvidia Shield.
While we're dancing, dancing to the rhythm of the plastic anthem. Dancing while they're preaching the plastic anthem.
Congratulations on getting your new Mi Box. Let's get you set up. Plug one end of the power cable into your Mi Box and the other end into a power outlet. Your Mi Box will turn on as soon as it's plugged in. Next, Connect the Mi Box to your TV with the included HDMI cable. Don't forget to put the batteries in the remote. Pair the remote with your Mi Box. Hold the remote close to your Mi Box and press and hold the back and O button until you hear a beep. Use the navigation pad to select a language and hit the center button to confirm. Hit yes to quickly set up your Mi Box with an Android device. Go to the Google search box on your phone or tablet's home screen. Simply say, "Okay Google, set up my device." Select your Mi Box from the list that shows on your phone. Make sure the codes that display on your phone and your TV match, and hit Next. Choose a Wi-Fi network for your Mi Box to connect to. Copy your Google account to your Mi Box to access all of your favorite music, movies, and other apps. Finish setup with the Mi Remote. Great! Hit Finish to start using your Mi Box. The Mi Box homepage is organized in a series of rows. The first row features suggested content and apps based on your viewing habits. The second row is Mi Selection. Watch all popular channels from Netflix to HBO Go. Make sure to update your Mi Box in settings to enjoy the latest features and improvements.